First of all, today's strategy, this is not like a get-rich-quick scheme. Something like that doesn't exist. You have to put in the work, but it's gonna be fun, okay? So let me actually show you what I mean. Everybody knows that YouTube pays for the content, right? The content you make can get monetized, and of course you can get money for it. There are certain monetization rules, and for example, you know that you have to have like 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 watch hours. And then of course you know that you can get money from the ads, ad revenue, and all of that. But maybe you didn't know that Facebook is doing that as well. They have a lot of reels as well, and they pay for this kind of content as well. You just gotta make these, okay? Now, that's not a simple job, nor it is like overnight job, but I'm gonna tell you all the tools and a little bit of help on how to start this, and that it's all gonna depend on you. Now, the good part about this is that YouTube monetization requirements are not even close to Facebook's. That's because Facebook started with the Reels pretty recently, and there's a lot of market share for you. So basically, if you start right now, you have more chances than on YouTube because YouTube is existing for a very long time. This is a new thing, and you can just get into it right now while it's fresh. Of course, you can see that it works in 150 countries in the world. So basically, you can live anywhere. And speaking about monetization requirements, just take a look at this. These reels on Facebook, you have to have at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. So that's a really low amount of views. I mean, just consider that. I mean, that's 1,000 views in 30 days. And also you can see in here that they're investing over $1 billion in creators. And they also have like this Facebook Reels Play bonus. So that's some bonus money, but this you can't do because this is only for creators from the US or India. But make sure you follow this one and make sure that you check it out regularly because it can come to your country over time. So now what do we have to do? Well, in order to understand all of this, we need to go to a place which started all of this community, all of these like short videos and stuff. Of course, it is TikTok. TikTok has made a blast. They're the first ones who got engaged in this kind of content, so they set up few rules, and everyone else look up to them. I have found this article online, which is the top downloaded apps in 2022, and just take a look at this down there. TikTok is the #1. Then it is followed by Instagram and of course Facebook. As you can see, they broke the milestone of 1 billion active users in 2021. They also have 30 million daily active users via iOS. And in 2020, the app was valued at $50 billion by investors. So there's a lot of money on the platform. And YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, they all had to change their game as well. That's why we got now YouTube Shorts. We've got money for that as well. Also, that's why we got Instagram Reels. They pay money for that as well. And of course, today's topic, it is Facebook Reels. And you can see that you can get money with these as well. So how can we approach this? What do we have to do and how to set this up properly in order for it to work? Well, what I suggest and what all of the people do, they just go on TikTok and they see what is working in here, okay? So this is a huge marketplace, and if something is working on TikTok, there's a great likelihood that it's gonna work on Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels or even maybe YouTube Shorts because these guys, they have tested the waters, okay? So they broke the ice. Now we can just replicate this success. So we can replicate the content creators from TikTok and we can just move that to Facebook Reels, for example. And that's not gonna be like some hard work. Look at this, you can just search for something like this. Top 20 TikTok video ideas to gain more followers. So down there you have like social media challenges, which is something that I would never do, honestly. Then you've got video based on trending hashtags. You've got dance videos. Dance videos are a no-no for me as well. Now there's song imitations, there's dialogue reenactments. And you can see that all of these include like showing your face on camera. But of course, not everyone is comfortable with that. Not everyone is willing to just show their face and to do some crazy stuff. That's why you can do these, like cute animal videos. If you have a pet, well, there's good money in it. There's also fruit cutting, just try to imagine that. So you can actually see that there is a lot of plenty of ideas. I mean, fruit cutting, I mean, that can give you the money. Who would say? But the best thing that I suggest is these product reviews, okay? They work like crazy on TikTok. So basically what people are doing, they just review the product, okay? So they just make a video with their phones or cameras. You don't need to have professional equipment for this. You can just start it out and you can scale it later. So what they do, they just review the products. So what they do, they just buy the product from Amazon, for example, and they just make a video using that product. That's a simple product review, and a lot of people are doing that, and a lot of people are making huge deals of money with this. Just take a look at this channel, for example. This is called Simply Sell Finds. You can see that he has 2.8 million followers, and just take a look at the number of views on his videos. So basically, what's he doing? He's just like reviewing these simple gadgets and products that he finds on Amazon, but he finds like some unusual or some interesting gadgets, and that makes his videos even more fun. But of course, you don't have to have professional equipment for this. If you just scroll down to see one of his first videos, you will see that they were lesser quality. That's just how it works, okay? You just started out like a little channel without no professional equipment, and then you just scale it. You can see that you can just upgrade it real quick. And of course, there's going to be more money when you upgrade. So just take a look at this. This is like some kiwi crusher or whatever. It's a crazy thing to do, but this gets views, and of course he can do some affiliate marketing as well. And once again, guys, I don't tell you that this is going to work overnight, okay? This requires patience, this requires some dedication, and of course, hard work. These videos aren't gonna make themselves, right? But if you do it, if you just stay persistent, this can be your real-time job. You don't have to work on anything else. Because just take a look at one more option for income that this person is doing. Just take a look at this. This is bio link. And when you click on this link of his, you will be redirected to this page where you can see all of his affiliate marketing links. So whenever people click on one of these, he is getting the commission. And I can guarantee you guys that this guy is getting more money from affiliate links than he is getting from TikTok videos. But he's just using TikTok for his traffic source. So for example, let me just click on my Amazon storefront, and I'm gonna be led to his Amazon storefront, and you can see all of these products. So whenever I click on some of these and I actually end up buying them, he is getting the commission. Okay, so let me go back. Now I can click on random Amazon finds, and I'm gonna be redirected to more products. Now what is cool about Amazon is that when I click on any one of these, so for example on this one, I can buy this product. Of course, he's gonna get a commission. But Amazon cookies work in a way that if I just now click on another product, he's gonna still get some percentage of that commission, because that's the way cookies on Amazon work. So if he gets me to Amazon, well, I'm linked to his cookie, okay? So he's getting the commission anyways. So that's how this person is making huge amount of money. I don't even want to know how much that is, but he really did it. And in order to do this, you can just go to Amazon Associates, and then you can see all of the percentages for things that you can sell. You have all of the information included in here, so you can just do a bit of a research and see what's what. And of course, anyone can join this, okay? Anyone can join Amazon Associates, recommend products, and earn that commission. So just take a look at this sign up, recommend just like that person is doing, and you can earn that money. So up to 10% in associate commissions. So this basically means that, for example, for this product, he's gonna get like $4 since this is $40. And now you can just try to imagine how many of those people who are watching these videos are actually gonna click on this link, because after all, people are like that. When they see a video, for example, for this, and they like this tool or whatever it is, a gadget, they're gonna go and buy it. And it works the best if the product is like not expensive. So this is gonna sell like crazy, because people are gonna go like, oh, it's $8, it's nothing, let me go and actually buy it. And there's gonna be tons of people who are actually gonna buy this one, and that's gonna do wonders for the commission rate that this person is getting. So what you can do is you can just replicate the ideas that you can find on TikTok, and then you can just do the same thing on Facebook, because we have seen that Facebook and Instagram and YouTube as well, they're all looking up to TikTok. So if an idea is working on TikTok, it's gonna work on Facebook Reels as well. But of course, because you have affiliate marketing strategy as well, you don't have to depend on Facebook only. That's why you can make something like Simply Sell Finds. You can replicate his ideas, you can replicate the products as well, and then use all of that information in order to create the videos, the Reels on Facebook. Also, make sure to always do regular research about new trends on TikTok and on Instagram. And I tell you that because you can get left out. You just have to go up with the trends. You just have to see what other people are doing. And trust me, if you just stick with this, if you just take the action and if you just work hard at it, there's going to be good money for you. And this can be just the only income that you will ever need. So just go and do it, and I'll catch you.